Hi and welcome to the Site Builder Reviews video. Today we're going to try and give you an overview of some of the features of the Drupalgardens Site Builder. After we register with Drupalgardens, it asks us to pick a theme. Now this is not a design template, but a set of functionalities that is enabled or disabled depending on the purpose of our site. We could, for example, decide to create a campaign website or a product website or a blog. You see how as we change the template, different toggles at the bottom switch on and off. We'll make a campaign website. Now that we've got our basic functionality set up, let's look at how to change the design of our site. We'll click on Appearance to open what is called the Themebuilder. The Themebuilder has 5 sections: Themes, Brand, Layout, Styles, and Advanced. Under Themes, we select one of the 8 available themes, and we'll see how the site's design updates to reflect the new theme we've chosen. Now, under Brand, we can select a different color scheme. These are fixed color schemes that cannot be edited here. If we then go to Styles, we see options to change fonts, borders, spacing, and background properties of items on the page. To use this interface, we have to first select an item on the page. We'll start with the headline. We can now pick a different font and change the size, as well as many other properties of the headline. The changes we make here will change all headline elements on our site, not just this one page. Once we are done, we can publish the changes we made. Drupalgardens will ask us for a new theme name and then update our site. Let's have a brief look at setting up permissions for our contributors. We'll go to the Modules section. Here we see all the modules that are in use for our site. The blue tick boxes on the left are modules that are currently enabled. Deselecting the tick box disables the module. To edit permissions for article editing, we have to scroll down to the Node module and click on the Permissions link on the right. This takes us to the Permissions screen. As we can see here, authenticated users and anonymous users, that is, users who have not logged in, can only view content. Contributors with the role of blogger, on the other hand, can create new content and they can edit and delete their own content, but not content created by others. That permission is only given to editors. Finally, let's create some content. We'll use the Add Content shortcut for this. Next, we have to select what kind of content we want to create. Drupal knows 5 different kinds of content. We'll create a news item. The Create News Item page has a title box and a content box with the familiar word-like toolbar along the top. Optionally, we can add a summary. That is a short description text which will appear on the site homepage and from where users can open the actual news item. If we scroll down further, we can add tags to our news item. At the bottom, we have a choice between saving the article, which also publishes the article right away, or seeing a preview first. That's it for our quick overview of some of the features of Drupalgardens. Drupalgardens is not an easy product, but once beyond the learning curve, Drupalgardens can be a great way to publish your group project or product website.